We're all here today because we're dedicated to delivering better outcomes for our customers, our communities and the environment.
Some of the key things that we see is that you have regulation and compliance that you need to think about first. That's increasingly a challenge for water companies at the moment.
There's never enough funding for water.
I can't think of a single job in a water company that doesn't use the internet in some way. AI, we're going to be there in a couple years.
The low-hanging fruit really for water companies is around efficiency, productivity, and actually support around regulatory compliance.
What I focus around my team is the culture of it, so the technical skills I'll train and all the rest. But if we haven't nailed it culturally, we're dead in the water.
Changing culture is something that's really difficult. From a leadership level, for you to invest in that is a bold decision.
We plan to help our customers, we want to help the environment. Traditionally, water companies invest in their assets, invest in their people, but actually we need to get the data and digital side right.